Okay, so this is the CHAMPKEY USA model pistol grip, pistol putter grip. It's kind of a larger, it's larger than the regular size tour grip, but it's not that super large one like that they have called the Pistol Pro. This is the medium, sort of a medium large, a little bit of a thinner profile. Um, you can see this one's called the Pistol Only, and it's got this pistol grip design right here on the back of it. It feels great. It's got a nice soft feel to it, but there's enough texture on there where the grip is perfect. And you can see I'm comparing it here to, this is my old Odyssey 3-ball putter, tri-ball putter, and this is the standard grip that comes on that putter. And you can see the size difference is, it's way bigger. And this here is the Jumbo Max Tour Series golf grips that are also on Amazon. This is generally the same size. I'm a little bit older. I have I have arthritis in my hands, and these larger grips just help make the game more fun for me and more enjoyable. And as you can see on here too, I've also got this, it's Elvis ELVS suction cup. Now I've used these things in the past. I've been using them for years, and I never really have any luck with them staying on top of the putter. So you can see I've like put a screw in here, and I've wrapped some electrical tape around there. But no one's ever come up to me and said, "Hey, your putter looks terrible." But it works for me, and it makes the game easier for me because I don't have to bend over to pick up a golf ball. Um, and that's really important to me at this point in my life. And so this pistol grip, it feels good, it looks good, and it works.